We've all heard what we're supposed to do, but are people actually doing it, Dennis?
We are talking about flu shots, of course. Seth Kaplan is live with an exclusive early look at the numbers on who exactly is getting this.
Yeah, Dennis, Kendra, there's no state data yet. The big pharmacy chains might publicly reveal some numbers when they announce their quarterly earnings later this month, but we didn't want to wait that long. Here's what we learned today.
We're encouraging everybody to get a flu shot.
That's Bethany Miller of Lion Pharmacy in Red Lion. And this is Chris Altman, Director of Immunizations for Rite Aid.
We're not seeing that same degree of urgency we saw last year, I think.
This is also Chris Altman.
So we're seeing those vaccines really start to pick up now.
Less urgency, but vaccines picking up? That might sound contradictory, but it's really not. He said people are getting shots, but not quite as early. Last year.
So the message was, get the flu vaccines, you don't go to the hospital because resources aren't really there to help. That necessarily hasn't changed this year, right? We still see hospitals really under stress.
Which is why pharmacists are urging,
get out there, get vaccinated, because this is the right time to do it.
Perhaps exactly the right time if you didn't run out and get one in August or September.
I had encouraged people to wait until October because the flu shot lasts about 4 months. And peak flu season is generally January, February, and March.
And
it's not like you get vaccine this afternoon and then this evening, hooray, you're protected.
It takes about 2 weeks to build up immunity. Rite Aid is gearing up for similar demand this year as last year, meaning more than in the past, and so is CVS. It gave about 20 million flu shots last year and expects to give about that many again this year, which is about twice as many as before the pandemic. And remember,
if you need additional vaccines and you're getting that COVID shot, that it is safe to get multiple vaccines at the same time.
Yep, we can give one in one arm, one in the other arm.
Yeah, roll up both sleeves while you're at it, right? So again, Rite Aid and CVS expect to give about as many shots this year as they gave last year by time flu season is over. Walgreens declined to provide that information to us. Dennis.